This is Hutch with another WP short. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I use WordPress CMS in the Genesis framework. WordPress is a content management system, or CMS, developed by the folks over at Automatic Software. It's free software. It's licensed under the general public license of the Free Software Foundation. I looked on Wikipedia and it says that as of August 2013, WordPress is used by more than 18.9% of the top 10 million websites, and that it powers more than 60 million sites around the world. That's huge. So I use a content management system because it allows me to publish, edit, and modify my content. You know, my words, my video, stories, audio, pictures, etc. And it allows me to maintain the site from one place. In WordPress, that's called the dashboard. CMSs allow multiple people to work on content at the same time in a collaborative environment. Or you can just be an individual as well. They've been available since the late 1990s. With a CMS, you don't have to be a techie or a web developer guy to create and post content to the web. As a matter of fact, if you can follow instructions, if you're familiar with using a word processor, you can post your content to the web with a CMS. My 25 years of experience in large corporate technology shops has taught me the importance of standardization and of highly duplicatable and repeatable processes. When I decided to start my web hosting and design business, I knew I wanted to use WordPress because of its popularity, its great community support, and all of the plugins. But I wanted to start with pre-developed themes so that I wouldn't have to duplicate the work that someone else has already done. I researched various theme companies, and I decided on the Genesis framework by StudioPress. One of the key reasons for this was the fact that they just didn't try to be everything to everybody. What they've done is they've come up with what I think is the right mix of functionality and design for their themes, and allowing people to purchase a theme and get it running right out of the box with minimal effort, or to customize these themes into something to meet very specific client requirements. One of my favorite things about using Genesis is that their developers are so publicly available. Matter of fact, Brian Gardner is a lead developer at StudioPress. He's a super smart web guy that blogs. He's very open and accessible to the users of the Genesis framework. You can find him on Twitter at bgardner, and you can check out his blog at briangardner.com. Self-hosted websites are different than company-hosted blogging platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com, Tumblr, Typepad, these types. Creating a self-hosted site like the ones that I develop and host allow the owner complete artistic and functional control over the pages and over their content. If you head over to WordPress.com, you'll see that it's a blogging platform. You can sign up for a free account and start blogging right away. WordPress.org, on the other hand, this is where we go to download the WordPress application files that we use to build our self-hosted sites. If all you need is a place to blog and to post some pictures, WordPress.com and Blogger are free, and they may be all that you need. Hey, I hope this was useful information to you. If you want to see more WP shorts, or if you just have questions, head over to my website at wileywebworks.com.